Now, if everyone around you is in the same situation that you've been in for years upon years upon years, and you guys are in the same cycle and don't see anywhere else out, and all of your friends are still on the same level that y'all been on for the last 5-10 years, then all you guys, they have no information that they could provide to you to help you get out the same cycle. Now, a lot of you guys know my backstory, but if you're new to this channel, then you guys know that I used to literally eat rice every single day for like 2 weeks straight because I didn't really have any other money to pay for food. When my refrigerator went out, I had an ice chest that I just put ice in to keep my food warm, and I just refill it with ice every now and then from the corner store. And my oven went out and I just had an air fryer, and I would just literally cook all of my food in the air fryer. So things were not nice to me when I looked to my left and looked to my right. My roommates, my friends, all of us was on the same level. And then something hit me that day. I was like, wow, I really need to sit down and come up with a plan, a strategy to get out of this cycle to where I don't even have enough money to give me a new refrigerator or just to stop eating rice every single day. I mean, I couldn't even afford McDonald's. So if I was hanging out with friends and family that could not provide me any type of information on how to get out this cycle, on how to make money, then I had to go out of the way and find it myself.